How this happened? Oh, sweet. Stay tuned. Guys, and welcome to the blog. Right now, this is gonna be a new video of another unboxing thing. I just received an envelopment, so yes, it's the same shirt and everything. It's the same day, different video. So I hope you like it. I'm gonna have everything down on the description. So I hope you enjoy. Let's see. Let's see what's inside there. You received this. This is for the brand. And if you see in my other video, yes, the phone is still booting. So I received this, and inside this envelopment is something really cool. Everyone right now is buying the red iPhone. I don't blame them, but I just want to make my iPhone red. So if you want more information about this, I have everything down below at the description. Hello, Abraham. Can you help me? Okay, hold this. Hold this. Aguántalo. Hold it. There we go. Hold it, hold it. Aguántalo ahí. Yes. Hold it. Hold it for me. Whoa. There's some stickers. Hey, hey. No, hold it right there. Okay, that's my helper. The other two guys on the right. Hey, hold it for me. Thank you. There you go, another one. Hold it right here. Okay, sweet. So right now, thank you very much. Okay, right now I have this. Don't touch it. Leave it in there. Leave it in there. You can touch this if you want to. Okay, thank you. So I have this and I have this. I assume this. So if you want to make your iPhone red, you just need to. Thank you, Abraham. You just need to go to the website to these guys, dbrand.com, and choose your phone and pick whatever theme that you want. I just want a red. See you later, Abraham. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. There you go. Bye. Bye. Hey, I said bye. Okay. This is like the entire piece. This is gonna be a part if you want to make it half. And this is gonna be the remaining piece for this one. So if you want to make the whole phone but apart, these two. This is gonna be the whole area. And this won't be like they are not paying me nothing for show this. I just want to make this video. And yes, let you know guys, these guys is over there to help you. This is gonna protect your phone if you don't want to use any cover. And yeah, this is 3M stickers. You can see it right there. And it's a really good quality, and it's gonna protect your phone like this one. If you've seen the other video, yeah, it's still loading. So this one's gonna be like actually right here. I'm gonna put it right now so you guys can see and everything. So you could do it like this, the whole piece in once, or you could do it like a part. You see these lines, this one and this one. Yeah, you put it right here, and that still remains like gold if you want to do it like that. Or this, you can put it like under, on the top, so you can have it the whole phone. Actually, this is the top, this is the bottom. Yeah. So yeah, still loading. So let's see what happened. Let's see the phone with the covers. Actually, this is really good material. I like it. It's really thick. Hello, Leo.
Hello.
That's Abraham with his new car. Okay, let's see. So we got this. They send you this. This is gonna be the giveaway I'm gonna give. It's gonna be these two, plus the mystery one. I'll show you later that one. That's gonna be for the other video. So stay tuned, okay? But they give you this, and here's my iPhone. So right now I'm gonna put this one entire piece right here. These are gonna save it for later. So let's just take these away. Put the iPhone right here. My iPhone screen won't be scratched with this, okay? Don't worry about it. Right now I need to do a deep clean it. Actually I did it already. It's like dusting right now. Okay. Okay. So right now I'm holding with this hand the other iPhone I have for record, and I want to put this really good. So let's see how can I do it. Tell him, Papa. Okay, right now my son Pedro is helping me here because I need my two hands. So right now I just clean it. Let me re-clean it again. I don't have anything right here. Everything is good. It's a brand new iPhone. Zero scratches, no dents, nothing. Hey, I'm trying to make a video over here, Abraham. Blow your boys. Right now it's gonna be like this. Ooh, es bien grueso. It's really thick. Okay. Whoa, Leo, look at this. Look at this. So it's going to be. Let me clean better the apple. Okay. Need to put it really careful on the same spot. Oop, nope. Oh, it's smelly.
It smells like apple cinnamon.
Oh, sweet. No, I put it wrong on the camera. Oh, dang it. Be careful. Be careful, Pedro. Be careful. Okay. Put right there. Sweet. Sweet. Okay. It's in the right same spot. So just press on it a little bit down. I'm using the same cloth because, you know. Okay, sweet. Okay. So it's time. Hey, be careful. What happened? Abraham? ¿Qué pasó? Okay. Let me pull this down here. Abraham? What happened, papi? This one is not the same shape. Okay. So it's really hard to put it. Okay, so make sure you have everything in the right spot. Take away all the air. You see? Some air in here. Take away everything out. It's not that easy, guys. Look, but it's not that easy. You want to have it in the right spot. Okay.
El celular no sé.
Ah, thank you. Okay. 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 ¿Qué necesita yo? It's hard. Now, use the same cloth so it's gonna be easy for you guys. Glue it down. Leo, I need that box. Don't use it. This one. No. That one. Give it to me. No, no, no. Later.
I think I'll need the little one.
So do this first, and after that, yeah, try to. There you go. It's gonna be easy for online and everything. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. You enjoying, Abraham? ¿Estás disfrutando? Yes? Yes? Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. And here. Sweet. I think if you have a blower, you can put some heat on it. Yes. Later on, I'm gonna try to put some heat on it. So I think these areas is gonna be a little better. But there you go. That's a red iPhone. That's a red iPhone, people. So if you like these videos, make sure you see the other video from my watch. Even though I'm gonna do a giveaway, it's gonna be this one, and the mystery one. So if you like it, give a big thumbs up. See you there. Thank you for watching the video of the unboxing for the D brands. So if you like it, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget, I put everything down below in the description, so you can go and order whatever you want to do over there. It's for iPhones, iPads, laptops, and everything. And yeah, go to my next video. It's gonna be unboxing actually for my Apple Watch. So go ahead in there. I'm gonna do the giveaway of the 3 earphones. So see you later. Have fun, and don't forget to be sparks of life. See you later, Abraham. Yes, it's the same clothes. Yes, it's the same day, but different video. So let's go back to the iPhone.